In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a rule in Outlook. If your inbox isn't behaving the way you expect, maybe messages are being moved, flagged, or forwarded automatically, an old or unwanted rule is often the cause. Deleting the rule that's no longer useful will bring your mail flow back under control, and it only takes a moment when you know where to look. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search box, type Outlook and press Enter. From the results, click the official Outlook website to open your mailbox in the browser. This process takes you straight to Outlook on the web, which is where we'll make the change. Using the web interface ensures the rule is updated at the account level, so the behavior is consistent across devices. Once your mailbox is open, look to the top right corner of the page for the gear icon. That's the Settings icon. Click it to open the Settings panel. In the panel, select Mail to access mail-specific options. These are the controls that affect how messages are organized, displayed, and handled. Within Mail, find and click Rules. This is where Outlook lists all of the automated instructions that act on your messages, such as moving emails to folders or assigning categories. On the Rules page, locate the specific rule you want to remove. Take a second to read its name and description so you're sure it's the right one. The description typically shows the condition and the action. For example, when a message is from a sender, move it to a folder. Confirming the details helps avoid deleting something you still need. When you've identified the rule, move your pointer over it to reveal more options. Click the three dots, also known as the More Options menu, next to that rule. From the menu that appears, choose Delete Rule. Outlook will ask you to confirm, just to make sure you're intentionally removing it. Click OK to confirm. The rule is now deleted, and you'll see it disappear from the list. From this point forward, incoming emails will no longer be affected by that rule. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you notice your inbox behavior change immediately, that's normal. Messages won't be moved or flagged by the deleted rule anymore. If you realize you removed the wrong rule, you can recreate it later using the same conditions and actions. And if your list of rules is long, consider giving rules clear names in the future so they're easy to recognize and manage. That's it. Your Outlook inbox should now behave exactly as you expect, without the unwanted automation from that rule.